This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian and Maria Pachordaves. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. As all eyes turn to Jay Powell's keynote address at the virtual Jackson Hole Symposium later today, three Fed officials made clear where they stand on tapering in the last 24 hours, signaling a sooner rather than later message on when the Fed should begin scaling back its emergency asset purchases. Treasury yields extended their gains after the hawkish remarks, as investors anticipate the Fed chief to also signal that the time to taper is near. Powell will have to strike the right note in terms of balancing the need to withdraw some stimulus with the persisting downside risks from the pandemic. If investors don't get enough reassurances that the process will be gradual, they may yet throw a taper tantrum. Shares on Wall Street ended a 5-day winning streak on Thursday amid some taper jitters. However, the losses were likely magnified by the added risk-off tone arising from the attacks outside Kabul airport in Afghanistan that killed 13 U.S. troops. U.S. stock futures were rebounding on Friday, pointing to gains of 0.3% at the open. Shares in Europe were mixed, but in Asia, only Chinese indices managed to close higher as virus woes continue to sap sentiment. It's not just in low-vaccinated Asian countries, though, that the Delta variant is spreading uncontrollably, as the number of people hospitalized in the United States is back above 100,000. As the global recovery comes under threat again, optimism is becoming increasingly reliant on hopes that monetary policy will remain accommodative for the foreseeable future, even though many central banks have been moving in the opposite direction lately. However, policymakers in China have been trying to calm markets by ramping up cash injections into the banking system this week, whilst signaling that the reserve requirement ratio for banks could be cut again very soon. A firmer U.S. dollar as European trading got underway is likely weighing on gold, but most majors held onto their earlier gains versus the greenback, and it was mainly the underperforming pound that lifted the dollar index into positive territory, albeit very marginally. Doubts about how long the UK will be able to keep the economy fully open could be what's troubling sterling this week, as its rivals have posted a much more impressive rebound. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.